Okay guys, Dewey McDonald here from Guarantee RV. This is an Arctic Fox 992 camper, truck camper. Let's go inside and take a peek. So this is your full wall slide here. You got your nice bench here that this actually lays down, you know, the table lays down into a bed. You have storage underneath on both sides. Gives you lots of access right there. Notice the solid wood. These are hand built. These are the ones they advertise. 36 people standing on the roof. So aluminum construction. You got a Norcold full-size refrigerator freezer. So the 992 is the one with the bath in the front. So you got a great big bathroom here with a shower, porcelain toilet, a lot of cabinets, big tall. So you get up in here. You got lots of height in here. So this particular model gives you a nice big bathroom in the front. The only downside to with some people, it's up, you know, everybody's personal preference. So you got a little narrower entrance into the bedroom. So right here gets you, so you got to kind of crawl in. But you got the stereo equipment right here, some lights controls, and you'll see you got cabinets on both sides with cross ventilation. And then I'll let you look at that up there. And you got ports for USB ports in the front, night lights in the front, cabinets on both sides. So nice queen size bed, fantastic fan, skylight available in there, gives you good lighting. This is a nice camper. So in the right here you've got a storage closet right here to hang coats, roof air, skylights. You got the LED lights all above us. You got more storage there. You got stainless steel appliances. You got a three burner oven, microwave right there. You got a fan right here. Cross ventilation with the windows, more cabinets over above the sink. You got the double sink. The electric, these are electric jacks. You got electric jacks. And here's, like I said, here's the advertisement. They were advertising on their website. 36 people standing on the roof. I mean, these are aluminum frame, heavy duty, hand built. These are great campers, one of our top of the line campers. But you got a lot of room in here. This is the Fox landing step, they call it. It's a nice heavy duty step. Folds up if you're going to be towing a boat or something. But access from in here, from when you're on the door outside, you actually have lights access, awning access right here. It shows your panel for your solar charger that's on the roof right here by the door. You got a nice big grab handle. You got a built-in generator. The ladder folds up, see, so you can access the generator if you need to. There's a port right here for outdoor barbecue. There's your awning with speakers, LED lights. Plug in for outside if you're gonna do, you know, plug something in, a pan or something. But heavy duty jacks, you can see the jacks, the remote control, the bolts on the side. I mean, they're made pretty serious. You can see there, that's your side slide. Access to plumbing on that side. So we'll go around. You also notice above us is pouring down rain. You have to have drip. You have drip spouts so they don't drip down the side of the trailer or camper. Here's your furnace, auxiliary shower. Your batteries go there. Solar ready. You know, if you want to get a solar, big propane tank right there. Light strip on the side also. Like I say, in the bolts, I mean, these are serious. So if you got a 3/4 ton or a 1 ton, this is, you know, nice camper. Plug in here to the front. So when you're, you know, going down the road and you're plugged in the front of your truck, you got nice big bumpers there. One of our top of the line campers, the 992, 3/4 ton, 1 ton diesel would, you know, they got to have a big enough truck to haul it. But one of our top of the line campers that built out of LeGrand, Oregon, hand built. So if you're interested in a truck camper, fifth wheel, toy hauler, you name it, come see me, Dewey McDonald, Guarantee RV.